Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis. And today I just wanted to talk to you about this property tax information that you may have received in the mail. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, well, welcome back. Just wanted to talk to you about these property taxes that you may have received. I actually got some questions in the past month because these are trickling in to your mailbox. And so just want to clarify that, especially if you're a new home buyer. A lot of times you've bought your home, you've got an escrow account, you're not used to seeing these property tax bills come in. So a couple things to do, just hold on to them. Or if you still have paper mail that you're sending in your payment with, you can, sometimes I'll just send mine in, to the company who has your loan, just so they'll have it. But if you don't do that, just hold on to it and check your escrow account to see when they're paid. And the different municipalities and Shelby County are totally different. So the Shelby County bill is due in February of next year. So it's not late until then, but your lender will pay it in December. So just watch your escrow for that. The different municipalities are at different times. They're like now, a lot of them are being paid. So just wanted to let you know about that. And then I've had a question about the rates. Yes, the property tax rates went up. So did the values. They hadn't been adjusted since kind of our fall in '07, so you're seeing that increase. Let me know. I had somebody ask me a question about that. Can you look into this? I'm happy to do that. I'm going to show where it was last year and where it is now, and then look at comps too to see if that's reasonable. So please reach out to me and let me know about that. I'm actually going to include a link. It has information on it, so you can see the different rates for the different municipalities and Memphis City and Shelby County. Shelby County right now is like 405. So anyways, I'll add that to the bottom so you can click on it and see. Again, send me your information if you have questions about it. I know it can be confusing, and I know you're sometimes wondering why you're getting this in the mail. So anyways, just let me know. Happy to help in any way. I look forward to hearing from you. The number's 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.